This is huckleberry. Huckleberries look like this. Nishan, pick huckleberries. There are more here. Ishan is picking huckleberry. Ishan, what are you picking now?
Huckleberry.
Can you show me? This is how huckleberry looks like?
Yeah.
No. Here are more. Here are more.
Here.
And here. Take the greens out. Here there are more here underneath. So they're like hidden. They're under the bush.
They look like apples.
Ne?
The green one looks like an apple.
Dekha, he told you, right? You can get too many too quickly.
This huckleberry looks like an apple. See?
See, where there is sun, they have huckleberries. Ne? Dekha, Ishan, show me. Ishan, look. थोड़ा पीछे. Let's go to the. Show me. ऐसे थोड़ा हाथ ऊपर कर. Leave it. हाथ ऊपर up to your face. हाँ.